By choosing Arirang, BTS is not placing themselves as representatives or authorities on Korean music at all. They are placing themselves inside a lineage.
Wow.
Arirang
I love
isn't
that.
something you complete or own. It is something you carry for a while, add your voice to, and then pass on.
Ganda.
It was never just about our own legacy. It is about contributing to something bigger. It's not just a nod to the past. It is a daring step towards a future expressed in the most boldly Korean way possible.
Ganda.
Wow.
Love it.
Even if, for example, you don't have a deep understanding of what Arirang is,
Correct.
you kind of know that it's so uniquely Korean.
Yeah.
And coming from Dynamite Butter, Permission to Dance, ito sila.
Correct.
One, two, sarang!
Hey! Annyeong, this is Jency.
Hello, this is Monica.
Hello everyone, my name is Pia and we are One, Two, Sarang! Sarang Days, Chansey, Monica.
Yes.
What is your love song?
Oh.
Kinilig.
Very important
Yes.
conversation.
Wow.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay,
Of course, we
okay.
need to know each other's love song.
Okay.
So that when the time comes, we may sing it to each other.
Okay. Sure.
What's your love song? Juan?
My love song. Nakakailig. But it's always been Closer to You by the Wallflowers.
I
don't know if you guys
Akala ko
have
Closer
heard.
You and I.
Closer you and I.
Akala ko Karen
Karen close
Carpenter
up.
close.
Kakantahin ko ba?
Oo
Bakit
naman.
hindi?
That's how it starts.
How soft a whisper can get when you're walking through a crowded space.
Perks of Being a Wallflower. Tama? No?
No, I think it was, I forget, pero Richard Gere movie siya.
Little
Tapos,
Women.
Not Richard Gere movie, and then it has something to do with dancing. I forget. Basta, I think.
Save the last.
Save the last
Wala
dance
namang
din.
Richard Gere.
Basta it's a very, very, hello, the Wallflowers pala.
Oo.
Mm.
That's always been, marami ako. Meron akong playlist of like the
of
songs
love
that really,
songs.
Oh
pero
my
yun
God.
yung ultimate, like, oh God.
I-share din namin yung mga playlist ng mga love song namin.
Oh my
Ikaw,
gosh.
Chansey.
Meron ba ako? Parang wala. Yung akin, actually, gasgas na siya.
Oh.
Pero parang feeling ko papatugtugin ko pa rin to pag kinasal ako.
Oo,
Okay.
ano?
1 and 2. And don't you dare look back. Just
Oh!
put your eyes
Oh
on
my
me.
God!
And you're holding me back.
Trency, that's
Yes.
my number 2. Shut up and dance with me.
Paano kung kaya yung
Girl.
I was debating if
Oo.
I was gonna say Wallflowers
That's it.
or Walk the
Yun
Moon.
na nga. Pak.
Holy,
Diba?
I'm so amazed.
And I think, para makatipid tayo, no? Sabay
Sabay
na
na
lang tayo
tayo ikakasal.
ikasal.
isang banda lang.
Correct. Ganyan siya. Dito kami, tapos dito sila.
Correct,
lang sila na angle.
Oo. Gusto ko yan. I like
Ako
that
mag-gusto
plan.
pareho.
Correct. Oo nga. Pero doble kara. Depende sa team.
But that song's great.
Oo.
Nakakakilig siya.
Correct. Diba? Kahit
Grabe.
nagasgas na siya.
Sobra.
It's still number 1.
Iba nga yung ano, yung datingan ng kilig nun.
Correct. Ikaw, Pia. Ano yung sa'yo?
My God, I can't remember the title all of a sudden, but
Oo.
this is a song ng first dance namin ng asawa ko nung kinasal kami.
Can't forget.
I know, right? I can't remember the title. No, I love you. Check it. 0 by 1 love song. Whoa! Uy, bagay kasi may mga mic stick.
Actually.
No, but it's South Border. Yung ano, more than willing, I will give to you. Forever starts from now, I promise you.
Yes. Yun. Tama.
And also, may sinayaw kaming pamilya nun. And again, hindi ko na naman maalala yung title. Pero yung sinayaw namin nun is the very famous song of BTS, YOLO, YOLO, YOLO. Everybody.
Silver spoon?
No.
Hindi. Bali.
Babsi.
Oo nga,
Bababsiin natin si Eric.
Sa kasal nila.
Alam mo, nagbapsi naman siya, pero nung dulo na.
But yes, we will be posting our love songs dahil yan din ang ginawa ng 7 members of this group that we have so been waiting for the
Yes.
longest time to come back. We are talking about BTS! Bang! 10! Sonya and Bang! 10! Sonya and Bang! 10! Sonya and Nako, mga sarang base, mag-abang kayo because this March, it's gonna be BTS and then BTS and BTS and
Galore.
BTS. Yes. There's gonna be a lot because we are so excited about their comeback. We have been waiting for this and finally, it is here. Finally.
It's a ride!
Correct. Kaya mga sarang base, kung meron kayong mga friends na mga army din, please share this with them. Let's all fangirl together. Let's all talk about BTS and be excited together. And just a little bit of note, maaga kaming nag-record as responsible podcasters.
Yeah.
So, as of recording, today is actually EDSA Revolution Day. Lagi
Kailangan
natin-
tandaan.
Yes.
Never
lagi
forget.
natin-
Nararapat.
Correct. At yan din naman, tama din sa pinaglalaban ng BTS, what is right, what is true, and loving yourself.
Correct.
Which is important with the EDSA Revolution.
Yeah, love yourself so you respect yourself and your country.
Correct.
And your countrymen.
Yes. If you're watching this na naka-release na yung album, maybe give us a little bit of leeway. Kasi again, maaga namin siyang pinag-uusapan because we are so excited. This is what we're calling the calm before the Bangtan Storm.
Yeah.
Ayan. So ano na nga ba ang aming mga pag-uusapan in this episode? First, let us start with the bold statements that BTS is making that only they can make with this comeback. First is calling their world tour and their concert Arirang, which of course we know is already a UNESCO Intangible Cultural Heritage and also considered a Korean Intangible Cultural Asset. And they also have a free concert in Gwanghwamun Square, which is the central point of Seoul since the Joseon period. So, ano ba ang pinaka-exciting para sa inyo about these statements that BTS is making? What is there to look forward to? So, next, what was the hardest part of the enlistment era? So, paano ba yung 4 years nung OT7 hiatus na yon for all of us? And do you think that the hiatus left a gaping hole in K-pop? Controversy.
Oh.
And then finally, ngayon, yung mga promo materials, nakita na natin, ang dami nang sumama. Hinintay na lang namin si Bad Bunny. Ikaw na rin, what is your love song, Bad Bunny? Ganon. Megan Thee Stallion has already posted. Si Benny Blanco, of course, mga nako-collaboration nila.
Correct.
So, since yun yung theme na we're seeing with the album, what do you guys think would the album be focused on? Are you hoping to have like mga anthemic ballads like, of course, Spring Day, and or maybe like power hits like DNA? Kailangan may pa-abs pa rin ni JK. Syempre, mahalaga.
Correct. Oh my God.
Military abs na yan.
Oh my
Oo nga. My God, tsaka parang nadagdagan na siyang tattoo dun. Oh my God.
Tsaka nagpatanggal din.
Oo,
Ay,
nagpatanggal.
nagpatanggal.
Oo.
Nagpaayos siya. Oo.
Why not? Or maybe self-love. Diba? Yung
Ah,
love myself answer.
Correct.
Something like that.
Naman.
So, ano nga ba ang mga, what we're hoping for in this album? Armies, I think it's very important that you already have these marked on your calendar. The album will be out on March 20, 2026. I'm sure lahat na kayo ready nang mag-stream, makinig, at lang buhay ninyo. Wala nang tulog ulit kasi streaming galore na
My
yan.
God.
And we know that the album is called Arirang, which is their 5th full album that already exceeded 4 million copies on the first week it was released. Ang daming versions. May vinyl, may
Correct.
CD, lahat-lahat na
Dami
klase.
ng version, sobrang dami, di ba?
Yeah.
Parang like 20 check or something. Di joke
Like,
lang.
it was quite confusing actually to
Oo.
navigate.
I got confused. Like, if you
Oo,
scroll
ang dami.
through Weaver Shop,
Correct.
as in,
Oo.
Yes.
oh my gosh, how do you choose, diba?
And imagine, like, armies, of course, are already buying it. Pero usually kasi, di ba, meron ka ita-target na itong version na to yung gusto ko.
Correct.
Ito yung
Oo.
photo cards na gusto ko.
Oo.
Pero
Oo.
walang pake. I'm sorry. Puti lang siya.
Kuha lang. Oo.
Bibili na ako.
Oo.
Kahit na puti
Correct.
lang
Oo,
siya.
statement.
And of course, the 41 stops of the North America and the Europe
Wow.
leg of their world tour stadiums, guys, already
Massive.
sold out.
Mm-mm.
Hindi pa nila nasasabi kung kailan ang bentahan ng
Woo!
Asia stops. And also, we also don't know yet kung matatapos ba talaga siya ng 2027.
Correct.
Malay mo,
Correct.
mag-extend pa sila more.
True,
Why not?
Correct. True.
At also, hindi pa natin alam kung ano yung comeback schedule nila. Alam lang natin na March 20, may album.
Correct.
And then what?
Correct.
Wala
correct.
bang mga pa-teaser? Di ba usually
Oh my
ganon?
God, oo nga.
Di ba there's like a schedule that usually comes out? It's dapat by now, makita na natin.
Like
May
music-
teaser 1.
Oo.
Highlight.
Concept photo.
Oo, mga
Pero baka
ganyan.
they're going the opposite direction. Or like a direction that no one knows about.
Oo.
Maybe they're changing
Oo.
like the template.
The template.
Correct.
Exactly.
And which would not be surprising because, you know,
Mm-mm.
of course, BTS and BTS.
Sasabihin nila pag nalapag na nila. Ano?
Hi! Ganun.
Sasabihin nila pag nangyari na.
Oo.
Ito.
Parang
Ganon.
gano'n. Ganun na yun. Ganon.
And of course, the world tour is starting in Goyang on April 9 and again, will continue
That's so
until
weird.
2027? Question mark. Tignan
Oo.
natin kung hanggang kailan nga talaga itong concert na ito. I think a lot of people were also so excited when they dropped this album. Kasi di ba nung unang lumabas yung parang pinaka-artwork ng album, parang bilog-bilog lang siya. And then
Oo.
for us who don't really know Hangul, we don't understand. What does it mean? And then people were theorizing, baka anyong hello.
Oo.
Yun yung akala nila. And then when they told us na, okay, it's actually Arirang, so many people came out. Because for us, parang we kind of know that it's like,
It's a
okay,
channel.
it's a song.
Yeah, we grew up with the channel.
Right?
Yeah.
And because of like our exposure, we also know na, okay, it's a song na usually some idols just sing parang kapag sa mga variety,
Correct.
pag mga
Oo.
about mga pag nakahandbook sila, ganun, biglang may
True.
mag-aari-ari rang, ganun.
Oo.
Parang,
Yeah.
okay, so it's a song, I guess. Pero, ayun, it's very important. There's so many things that made me so excited about this title. Kailangan kong basahin. So, what is an arirang? So, as we know, it's a popular form of Korean folk song. It is the outcome of collective contributions made by ordinary Koreans throughout generations. So it is a simple song that has the refrain. Usually it would have arirang, arirang, arariyo. And it differs from region to region. So depende sa region, sometimes it starts with that, sometimes it's in the second verse. But the point is, it's easy to listen to and sing along to. Kapag dumating na yung arir-arirang, people would just go and sing along. Meron din tayong ganitong kind of tradition, di ba? Meron tayong mga awit at korido.
Wow.
Sa Filipino classes.
Wow.
Di ba? So parang
Nagamit
something...
muli.
Correct. Pero ang sa kanila kasi, they have this phrase or like this word. Actually, yung arirang na word, a lot of scholars are also debating what does it mean. So parang some have said that it means like bridegroom. It means beloved, which is also so sweet.
Yeah.
Pero
Ganda nun.
wala siyang actual na set in stone meaning. A lot of people also look at it as actually something that's parang heartbreaking. There's a trespass that you have. Parang there's like a hurdle that you have to go through. Parang ganun yung meaning ng arirang sa kanila. So it has no set meaning. For other people, parang siyang la 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 la. Parang ganon yung arirang.
Gibberish
for them.
lang.
Oo,
Parang
for
ganon.
something you say when you sing, hum,
Oo,
ganon.
correct. Oo. Walang intrinsic meaning.
Okay.
So yeah, so it is simple. It invites improvisation, imitation, and singing in unison.
Ganda.
So a great virtue of arirang is its respect for human creativity, freedom of expression, and empathy. And it is universally sung and enjoyed by the Korean nation. And this is what's so beautiful because it is actually included twice on the UNESCO Intangible Cultural Heritage List because it is submitted by both South Korea in 2012 and then by North Korea in 2014.
Oh.
So it is sung both in North and South Korea. Sobra akong nag-goosebumps dun kasi 'di ba,
Yeah.
galing sila sa enlistment era and we know that this song actually acts as a symbol of unity
Correct.
between the two countries that divided by war.
Yes.
So it's so beautiful
Wow.
Yeah.
for
Ganda.
them to choose it, right?
Yeah.
Correct.
Yeah.
Oo.
So ito din yung isa pang sobrang favorite ko na nabasa ko. So there's this novelist, his name is Jinwoo Park. I'm sure you guys have seen him on Instagram,
Jinwoo
on
Park.
TikTok. He talks a lot about BTS songs. He's a
Oo.
huge fan of Namjoon.
Mm-mm.
Safe to say, maybe he's an ARMY. Pero yun, parang meron siyang breakdown ng arirang. Medyo mahaba. Please look for his whole TikTok. You'll find it. But there's like this excerpt that I really want to share. Sabi niya, by choosing arirang, BTS is not placing themselves as representatives or authorities on Korean music at all. They are placing themselves inside a lineage.
Wow.
Arirang
I love
isn't
that.
something you complete or own. It is something you carry for a while, add your voice to, and then pass on.
Ganda.
This album
Wow.
reads as their way of expressing it was never just about our own legacy.
Correct.
It is about contributing to something bigger,
Mm.
welcoming
Wow.
others to continue on that journey that they in turn picked up from those who came before them.
Aw.
And in that way, it's not just a nod to the past, it is a daring step towards a future expressed in the most boldly Korean way possible.
Ganda.
Wow.
Love it.
Sobrang ganda. As in, nung
Ganda.
inanalyze yung ganon, parang he really put into words, I think a lot of armies were thinking about, even if, for example, you don't have a deep understanding of what Arirang is,
Correct.
you kind of know that it's so uniquely Korean.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Mhm.
And coming from Dynamite Butter, Permission to Dance,
I
all of
know.
a sudden,
Back
Yeah.
to.
ito sila.
Correct.
Ah.
Oo.
Ano
Love
ba
it.
sabi niyo sinabi ni Jinwoo Park?
Ganda.
Comment, ang ganda, di ba?
Sobrang ganda. And what I like, and we've had conversations about this before, diba? And like a lot of armies know how BTS struggled in the Western scene. Alam mo yun,
Yes.
parang for us armies, like watching every award show, alam mo yun, always like rooting for them and then seeing them not getting that award or recognition. I mean, even like TV time that they deserve, like
Yes.
placing them in the early mornings to get their award. When in
Correct.
fact, it should be like in the main show.
Yes,
diba?
Yeah,
exactly.
And then doing this, veering away from Western mainstream media's parang kumbaga nod of
Yeah.
appreciation means so much.
Yes.
Alam mo yun? And I mean, and I'm not Korean or anything, but like parang them doing that parang is also a sign for us. Alam mo yun, who's, been in the shadows of like Western media to find their own light as well.
Mm-hmm.
Alam mo yun? Na parang sila parang, alam mo, we'll shun this.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
we'll
yeah.
do our own thing.
Yeah.
And parang inspiring lang siya coming, like seeing it from like a Filipino perspective.
Oh,
Na
yes.
you don't have to always parang, go for Hollywood.
Yeah.
Or like, the
Mm.
Western
Recognition.
and all
Oo.
that. Parang you can do your own thing.
Yes.
But I feel like also in a very political and economical kind of way. It's also a good thing.
Yeah.
Alam mo yun, parang also
That's
like,
true.
no, it doesn't have to be just like, Western media lang.
Yeah,
Parang,
yeah.
It's putting the spotlight and highlight talaga on Korean music and Korean culture. No, we
Yeah.
can exist
Yeah.
apart
Yes.
from Western culture.
You're right. Honestly, given the political atmosphere of the
Mm.
Western world,
Correct.
we're okay.
Yeah.
So
Mm-mm.
definitely they can go all out Korea and not mind
Correct.
anything else.
Oo.
Yeah. And it's nice how it's like such a celebration
Mm.
of, it's so quintessentially them.
Yes.
They are the superstars that they are.
Mm-mm.
But they never like said na, oh, ako to. Parang may ganun eh. There's always like that bigger agenda of like music, Korea. Yung may ganon.
Yes.
So like yun yung...
Such huge responsibilities. I can't imagine what they're feeling right
My
now.
God.
Oh my God.
Baka
Oo.
baka mag-Weavers Live na naman sila.
Oo
Ano
nga.
sasabihin niya?
Stress ni Sir. Diyos ko, Lord.
Correct.
Parang, alam mo yun, and like, him also being the leader. Alam mo yun?
Yeah.
Parang, and I think, siya yung mukha talaga eh. Kasi parang he represents BTS, the music, and the culture. Like, he's the one who's like promoting Korean art,
Correct,
Yes.
literature. Alam mo yun, the
Correct,
pressure on that guy right now. And then now, after like doing his own thing, parang, I wonder how he will meld those two worlds. Like his own voice now,
Mhm.
and then yung boses ng BTS, or how his own voice and their individual voices will inform their music now. Like,
Yeah.
alam mo yung paano nila magagawin. And then, biglang may layer pa of like, Koreanness.
Correct.
Yeah.
Na they have to uphold. Like,
Yeah.
how is that gonna work?
I'm sure they're
curious.
gonna do it so beautifully.
Oo.
I don't think I would ever be disappointed with an album
Exactly.
like this.
Yeah.
And also,
Dun
like,
pa lang. Like,
right?
with those roots pa lang.
So true.
Sold.
And
Oo.
also like they worked in units by pairs in some of the songs para
Oo.
lang mas malabas din yung some of the music, a lot of like their experiences and the
I love
lyricism and the music. So
it.
that's something to look forward to as well.
Interesting.
Because ang dami na nilang na-experience. Pero sige,
Oo.
puntahan na
Unit.
natin. Itong
Oo.
discussion natin. So yun na nga, it's very bold calling it Arirang. And then opening with a free concert. That's also
Yes.
streamed on
What?
Netflix. Guys, hindi tayo magbabayad ng 5,000 sa Weverse
Correct.
para manood nitong
True.
concert na ito.
Correct.
And in such a historical venue. So what are you most excited about, Mon? What do you think
Oh.
they're gonna do? Like, why these bold statements?
Well, let's start with the show. Being on the square, and we've seen them mount fantastic shows, especially
Correct.
during the pandemic. They would what do you call this? They would stage shows in cultural spaces
Yes.
that are very significant
Yes.
in Korea.
Mm-mm.
So this is not new.
Yes.
But hello, it's not pandemic anymore. So
Exactly.
the possibility is endless.
Mm-mm.
And then we found out that the recent Super Bowl, Bad Bunny's halftime
Yes.
show,
Mm-mm.
the director of that
Mm.
halftime show is the same director who will do that freaking
Yeah.
Gwanghwamun Square
Mm-mm.
show.
Oo.
Like,
Yeah.
my
Massive.
God, massive.
Wow.
Like, I am
Exactly.
imagining
Ready
the
na ba
set.
yung mga
mga
goosebumps?
I'm
People
imagining.
in
I
Reeds.
know people in Reeds. And
Oo.
I can't. The lights, the lighting, like how
Correct.
it's just the mounting of it.
Yeah.
It must be fantastic, and also logistically, wow.
Yeah.
Like
Insane.
Yeah.
insane. Actually, may nakita nga akong article na may mga well, there will always be mga magko-complain na
Yes.
parang really it is right in the middle
Yes.
of
Oo
like
nga.
that massive avenue talaga.
Oo.
So gets ko yung concern
Mm.
na it'll cause a lot of, traffic diversions and
Mm.
stuff like that.
Mm-mm.
It's gonna be a lot of trouble, but I think it's worth it.
Yeah.
On
It's
so
not
many
something that
levels.
will happen
Correct.
on a day. It's not like a
Oo.
1 week thing,
Exactly.
right?
It's the cultural moment.
Yes.
Of not even, I don't think it's just for this year. It's the cultural moment of the next 1,000 years.
Wow! Grabe naman.
But on the
Tsaka,
next, like,
oo.
5 years, I guess.
From 1,000 to 5.
Kasi masyado, parang like, paano kung like in 100 years may meteorite? That is a cultural moment. Diba? So, parang 5 years na lang.
Oo.
Oo. Parang saktong, realistic yun.
Okay.
And at the same time, it's not like they're not promoting just BTS.
Exactly.
Promoting
Exactly.
Korea. So I think the
Oo.
Koreans should be grateful.
Yes.
Kahit na it might cause like a little bit of discomfort maybe,
Correct.
alam mo yun,
Oo
if
nga.
they're not into it.
Correct. Oo.
I think nasabi na rin kasi with the Arirang references, like
Yes.
yung just the thought na when they left us, when they left for the military,
Mm-mm.
they were global.
Yes.
And them putting up a statement na, nope, we're going back here. Back
Yes.
at the center of it
Yeah.
all.
Naman.
It's a good start. I feel like it's a
Yes.
great strategy, I guess.
Mm-mm.
Because in
Yeah.
a way, alam naman natin, after every enlistment, it's a restart.
Yeah.
They're different people now.
Yes.
Alam mo yon, they're
Oo.
different.
RM is driving.
My God, may lisensya na siya. Pero, oh my God, does he still know how to drive?
He
does
was
siya.
driving. He was
Posted a video of
driving.
him driving. And, it was
And
so
everyone
funny kasi
did?
sobrang naka 10 and 2 lang siya. Hindi ka niya i-holding hands habang
Oh,
nag-
ako na lang hawak sa legs niya.
And everyone was freaking out. Like,
Yeah.
really? You're behind the wheel?
It really
Ganon.
happened.
Oo.
And some armies were like, si Tablo wala pang lisensya, okay lang ako. Anyway.
Yun nga, they're different. They've changed. They're different people. They're probably a different BTS now. We don't
for
know
sure.
what that is.
Mm-mm.
Yeah.
But at the core of it, they are still the Korean singers
Yes.
that they are. And I
Oo.
love that state. It's so basic. It's so basic on a grand scale.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oo nga. The statement is so simple.
Yeah.
Oo, pero parang expounded.
Yeah.
Yeah, truly. Truly.
Yung parang, ang ganda nung sinabi talaga ni Jimmy Park.
Oo.
And parang medyo nag-align siya dun sa isang napanood ko na video. Parang they were talking about nga Arirang and like, yun nga yung how they're gonna mount this massive show in Gwanghwamun Square. And then when he said na parang it's part of the lineage, alam mo yun,
It's
kumbaga
so
parang
nice.
Arirang is like you putting your voice in and then it's the
Yeah,
voices of
yeah.
thousands of Koreans in
Previous
history that
Koreans
have
who have
oo nga, put it together.
Yeah, yeah.
And then parang inequate nila din yun with why they're putting it in Gwanghwamun Square.
Yeah.
Which has been, as you said, the center nga of Korea for the past 600 years. So many things have happened in that avenue.
Yeah.
Alam mo yun, ang dami na nangyari from Joseon era to occupations and alam mo yun, to the
recent
Korea
war.
finding their democratic voice and all that. Like, it is the center of Korean culture. It is their soul of their, nation. And then, for BTS to do it there, they're also laying down their own story
Yeah.
alongside all those, like, 600 years of history doon.
Yeah.
Their contribution.
They're contributing to that.
Ah.
And it is massive because I feel like them doing this they're like opening a door to like a new age. It just feels like it.
Yeah.
May ganon. And then ang ganda pa nung isang analysis kasi parang like that square is a mixture nga of like the old
and new.
and new,
Modern,
'di ba?
yeah.
So parang ang term pa nga na ginamit is parang Korean cyberpunk. Parang may ganon. Yung parang it's like the old and then all these like billboards and stuff. So mounting it there, it's also showcasing to the world and the millions of people that are gonna watch on Netflix that this is the
Exactly.
Korea now.
Yeah.
And at the forefront is the voice of Korea of now, which is
Yeah.
BTS.
Yeah.
So much meaning in this, like not just for the Koreans, I'm sure for the Koreans abroad as well.
Yeah.
Alam mo yun? Chills. As in,
Sobra.
sobrang chills. And then yung sabi pa nila parang ang chismis daw is parang yung Emperor's Walk, parang that strip where the emperors usually walk, dadaan daw din sila doon
Wow.
sa loob. So parang meron silang
Through the
like grand
gate?
entrance
Oo, yung
or
mga
something.
ganon.
Hindi pa nila alam if they're gonna do it live or if
Okay.
it's gonna be shot before.
Oo.
Pero
Wow.
wow,
And the-
statement.
Yeah,
Well
yeah,
deserved.
yeah.
Alam mo
Yeah.
yun, sobrang ganda.
Yeah.
And I can imagine like how they're gonna use the facade
Yeah.
of that building. Like
Yeah.
how they're gonna how they're gonna use that for the show. Like paano yung melding
Correct.
of the old structures and the show itself. Like kasi there's a
Like
lot of
how
light
will the
shows there,
stage,
diba?
how
Oo.
are they
Diba?
gonna put
But we know that
Wow.
it's gonna be so good
For
because
sure.
BTS, whenever they mount a show, a concert,
Oo.
even just like a stage for like all their awards shows,
Correct.
talagang
all
kompleto.
Massive. Oh my
Diba?
God.
So it's-
Grabe talaga.
Yeah.
Yung year tayo when we became army. As in talagang yung year na parang every award show, parang how are they gonna like
Make it different.
make it different or make it better?
Yeah.
Grabe talaga yung parang wow, parang
Dynamite lang yun. Bakit ang daming version? 23, 24?
sobra. Tapos
Yeah.
parang, oh my God. Kaya the pressure now.
Yeah.
Talaga, I'm sure.
Another thing that I'm
Nakaka-
also
Mm.
quite like looking forward to and I
Mm.
also love about itong buong like the concept of Arirang and putting it in the heart of Seoul and all of that.
Mm.
Parang I saw an old interview of
Mm-mm.
GD and TOP when
Mm-mm.
TOP was still part of Big Bang and they were
Ah.
they were being asked about K-pop in general ganyan. And then TOP was like, yeah, I guess you can call us K-pop, but we're not really pop, we're more like hip hop.
Mm-mm.
And the thing is, it's just the K is there because we're Korean. Nobody calls white people music white pop.
Oo.
Diba?
Oo.
Parang ganon. Na parang at the end of the day, because I'm just like anticipating because they have a lot of collaborations in this album.
Yeah.
So
Mm-mm.
it might not be like, I don't know, what people are expecting K-pop to sound like, whatever that sounds like.
Correct. Oo.
Pero parang at the heart of it, are these 7 Korean men who are making music, put them on the globe. Like, a lot of
Mm.
people have become so excited about going to Korea because of them. So,
Oo.
like, it's not really about, like, na-westernize na naman. Or parang, I'm just, like, anticipating a lot of,
Oo.
nakikiuso lang sila yung, yung trend ngayon na ganito yung beat, ganito yung
Oo.
Parang, but at the heart of it is, like, the 7 of them and them pushing forward this agenda is just so on brand and just so perfect. It's like the perfect culmination of the wait. Parang ganun. Naisip ko.
Correct. True. Oh my goodness.
Speaking of the wait, okay, so ito na ang aming mga excitement about March 20. Alam nyo na yan lahat. Pero before that, grabe din. Because I still remember, like, we do have an episode on Yet to Come, yung Proof na album. So that was like
Yeah.
episode 22 or something.
Yeah.
20 plus. Wala,
Season 1?
or 2?
Two?
Maybe. Wala pa yun sa YouTube. Nasa Spotify. Please search for it. It's also on Apple Podcasts. So, ganun katagal. Yung parang sobrang na-feel natin yung hiatus na parang, hala, mag-enlist na sila. It's been 4 years, guys.
Yeah.
So, it's been 4 years. So, what was the hardest part of their enlistment for you? And did the hiatus leave a gaping hole in K-pop?
Wow. Keeping whole.
Mhm.
Nakakatuwa. Meron akong napakinggan nga na parang, kasi nga, ang tanong doon is like, what will happen with K-pop now that BTS
They're
is back?
coming back.
Oo. So parang like, the person in the interview said na parang, ang hirap gawa ng statement yon kasi parang BTS is not just K-pop. Alam mo yon.
They're
So,
A little bit beyond that.
oo,
Correct.
kumbaga they
Now.
are an entity of themselves.
Correct,
Parang
correct,
ganon. So like, did they leave a gaping hole? Parang, I think in a way, yes. But I feel like they've prepared enough for it. Kasi, na parang hindi na siya, it didn't feel as gaping as it should be. Alam mo yun. Also, may nahanap pa kayo ibang tao.
Correct.
Ay,
Exactly.
naman.
Yun din eh. Pero I mean, I wouldn't have found them if it were not for them.
That's
Yeah.
true. That's
Diba?
true.
Yeah.
Parang like hindi ko mahanap yung grupo na to kung hindi dahil binili sila ng Hybe. So, salamat sa board ng Hybe, no? Very strategic thinking.
Oo.
Saktong-sakto talaga.
Oo.
But I feel like it's part of the plan. Alam mo yun? And then even if BTS is, as they say, like apart from K-pop, they still bring the weight of K-pop along with them. I mean, people always say na parang like, oh, BTS paved the way. A lot of people get angry with that. Alam mo yun? Pero, realistically speaking, and I feel like, alam mo yun, itong statement na to is not dissing anyone. Everyone has contributed to the rise of K-pop now. Pero, parang BTS as the face of, K-pop
K-pop
in the
for
mainstream
A
cannot be
majority.
denied.
Yeah.
Alam mo yun, hindi mo madi-deny yun.
Mhm.
Lahat sila may kanya-kanyang contributions. Pero, they are the biggest face right now. And, we should just accept it as it is. And, alam mo yun, and had it not been for them being the face, all the rest would not be where they are then right now. So, alam mo yun,
Sorry.
meron tayong visitor.
Oh, may visitor
Oo.
tayong lamok.
Oo.
Baka si Ariam yan.
Fly on the wall.
Nakikinig siya.
Buzzing about. Oo.
Oo nga eh. Wala
Oo.
yan kanina. But anyway, sorry.
Ayun. So, ayun. In a way, yes, they left a gaping hole. Pero, weirdly enough, when they were gone, it didn't feel like it. But now that, we're talking about Arirang and like what they're gonna do with it. Now, all of a sudden, I'm like, damn, parang sila lang ba yung pwede makagawa ng ganyan?
Oo.
No?
How about you, Mon?
Yung hot take. Wow, hot
Yes.
take.
Oo.
Hindi siya gaping hole. They opened it. They opened
Correct.
the world
True
for
that.
more K-pop.
Oo.
For me, especially
Mm-mm.
me. Miss, I only like groups who are about to enlist.
Correct. Oo.
Very late in the game, joining army and all that. What I guess sa experience ko, what I learned from BTS is the art of discovery. The art of discovering new music, new culture, new, K-pop, a K-pop group, a K-pop song, anything K-pop. It, especially coming from, way back then, iba talagang mundo siya eh.
Yeah.
Correct.
So, allowing myself to enter and learning this entire new culture
Mm-mm.
made me feel empowered na, oh my gosh, I can learn more new things. Ganon. So, instead of a gaping hole in K-pop, they
Aw.
actually widened K-pop for me.
Mhm.
Them
Yeah.
leaving actually widened K-pop for me. Because then, by the time they left, I had these tools of openness to,
Yeah, correct.
checking out other groups,
Yeah.
finding out, oh my gosh, I like these boys then, and ganon.
These boys.
These boys. All 17 of
Not the
them.
music,
Oo.
these boys.
The boys talaga. Oo. Alam mo yun, yung parang nagkaroon ako ng more, even courage
Correct.
to just
Nice.
jump in and just find new things within the K-pop world.
Correct.
And I think that's great. So, and hindi talaga siya sadness. And if anything nga, I feel like them leaving, mas na-empower pa nila yung K-pop.
Mm.
Because suddenly, I'm sure I'm not alone.
Yeah.
I'm sure so many other people, because nga equipped na sila sa learnings na,
Yeah.
I can try new things. I can
Correct.
listen to new songs.
Oo.
Songs that I'm not used to. They were able to find other groups to stand.
Yeah.
And so other groups had this opportunity to rise.
That's
Exactly.
true.
Yeah.
Totoo.
I really felt it. Like if you look at the awards,
Yeah.
a huge chunk, mga win. Di ba? Kunyari kunyari Mama, you
Oo.
see a rundown of the winners every year. A huge chunk BTS.
Yeah.
Correct.
And then after, when they were enlisted, biglang pasok na yung ibang mga
Correct.
pasok na yung mga groups winning other, categories and all
Correct.
that. Which is freaking great.
Yeah.
Because like
Mhm.
suddenly everyone had a chance.
Correct.
I mean, I'm sure
Yeah.
they've been good at too.
Correct.
Yes,
Pero
exactly.
ngayon, may chance. And mas
Oo.
more people kasi are able to appreciate them. Kasi
Mm-mm.
nga, walang BTS. Alam mo
Mm-mm.
yun?
Oo.
And it's a really good thing.
Yes.
So, in fact, I want to thank BTS for
Yeah.
enlisting and giving other groups also not even a chance. Just
Mm-mm.
opening up K-pop.
Yeah.
Because suddenly it's so much bigger.
Correct.
Like, it's so much more fun. Alam mo yun?
Oo.
Yeah.
It's nice to stand other groups too.
Yeah.
Totoo.
Kung sila nga, ang dami nilang fans, mahal nila lahat. Bakit
Oo
tayo, hindi tayo
nga.
pwedeng magmahal ng mas madami?
Kaya nga
Milyones nga
eh.
fans nila.
Totoo.
And at the end of it, it's music. Like,
Exactly.
music, different music. Not all music has to come from the same group.
Exactly.
Like, when it resonates to you, it resonates.
Yeah.
Like,
Correct.
alam mo yun?
And
Like,
they're all friends.
and
End of
they're
the
all
day.
friends
Diba?
anyway.
Oh, they
Yeah.
all
Yeah.
support each other. So we should
Yeah.
also support every one of them. Every one of them, ang dami nila.
So, it was actually a great ride, to be
Yeah.
honest, the past
Yeah.
4 years. Because
yeah.
na-feel ko talaga yung growth ko in K-pop. As
Correct.
in.
Oo. And I guess, I mean, to add lang for me, parang when you said nga na parang opening doors, it also opened door for them. Alam mo yun? Kasi parang enlisting gave them the opportunity din to like discover their own styles.
Yeah.
Alam mo yun? Like, had they not enlisted, hindi nila madidiscover din yung sarili nilang music. And we wouldn't see them now as they are. I mean, we wouldn't be anticipating an arirang album na alam mong magiging sobrang complex kasi they all have their own, alam mo yun, styles na and ways of thinking, perspectives. So, yeah.
Actually, that time of the enlistment, it felt like they were at like a breaking point, honestly.
Yeah.
Because everybody has this like idea that was perpetuated by Big Hit, that all 7 of them has to be together all the time. OT7, they're all one, whatever. And actually, that's also huge in Korean culture, right? Parang lagi silang harmony, togetherness,
Mm.
others, group, ganyan. I feel like that was like kind of a boiling point for them. So like when Jin finally enlisted, parang lahat sila, hindi na sila maka-function as like a blob that we all expected them to be. So now they were now forced to break away and look at themselves. That's why we loved RM's album so
Yes.
much.
Yeah.
Because it really showed us na parang, oh, ito siya, beyond BTS.
Correct.
And does that make him not BTS? Of course not. He's still BTS and RM at the same time.
Correct.
I really enjoyed the individual stuff.
Diba?
Right?
Ganda.
I also want to point out that like during their enlistment, sila talaga yung first K-pop heartbreak ko. Because for me, that was so heartbreaking. Though I think they did it the best way possible.
Yeah.
Na sabay-sabay sila halos nag-enlist. So it did
Oo.
not feel as long as,
Oo.
oh my God, 17 ka na po matatapos.
Correct.
There's EXO
totoo.
pa. Alam mo yun.
Grabe po.
Tagal nila yung naghihintayan.
Di ba? Oo nga. Hindi pa ba tapos? Pero, di ba? So parang, that was like the biggest heartbreak for me, and it kind of prepared me to a lot of other things. Like, and I guess to add to what Mon said, na parang, yun nga, parang the whole was, hindi naman sa ang easy to step into the shoes of BTS. But like, I don't think there's one group. Up to now, people are still scrambling. You could still not put a finger on like, ito na yung next BTS.
Oo,
Walang
wala.
ganun eh. Even if you have Cortez there who's huge, nobody could say na ito na yung next BTS. Magkaiba eh.
Yeah.
Pero parang, there was, siguro, yeah, there was a hole, but like, it was filled with so much music and so much experiences. There's so much, like you said, growth, not just from them, but like, I guess, industry as a whole. Now we're seeing more people who are, more groups that are producing their own songs.
True.
Which was not really mainstream
Yeah.
that time that they were there.
They're
So,
exploring genres na we didn't
Correct.
expect them to get into.
yes, exactly. So talagang thankful that BTS is there to do that for everybody. And I don't think it was like sadya. Diba? They were just
Oo.
existing and it
Yeah,
happened.
yeah.
Parang ganon. I
Oo.
guess with the machinery of the marketing of Big Hit. What was the hardest part of their enlistment era? Meron ba?
Hardest part of their enlistment
I
era?
admit I didn't have a heart.
Parang, oo nga eh. I mean, when we did Yet to Come, I think maybe that was that the hardest part. Like yung BTS for me was like a life boy. Life boy! As in pandemic, diba?
Yeah,
Parang,
yeah.
I mean, and I feel like a lot of armies will have the same experience. Like, sobrang cheesy, but they really did save me,
Yeah.
you know, to a certain degree.
Mm.
Alam mo yun, parang, and like, nung nag-Yet to Come, parang lahat ng emotions na connected sa kanila, emotions ko na connected sa kanila, nag-boil over eh. Alam mo yun?
Yeah,
It did
yeah.
really feel like it's coming to an end. Alam mo, it really did feel that way.
yeah.
Like, it was such a, feel ko pa yung emotion. Parang it really felt like goodbye. Alam mo yun, from people who have supported you for so long. And partida nung time na yun, I was very much into, 17 na eh. Alam mo yun? Pero parang grabe, as in talagang the iyak was intense.
Yeah.
Alam mo yun? And I feel like, kasi parang in a way, yung journey, yung sila, parang kind of mirrors also my own journey at that time. Parang like,
Kasi global star ka din nun.
girl, global star talaga. I do
Kasi
stadiums.
share to ka rin eh.
Oo. Tsaka marami akong set. Malaking puno doon. Pero alam mo, yung ganung feeling lang and all that. So parang, I think maybe that was the hardest part. And since yun yung first K-pop breakup ko din, in a way, alam mo yun. So parang like, ayun. Pero I mean, in a way, buti na lang din parang medyo nag-overlap din ng 17. So it wasn't as bad as I thought it would be.
Yeah.
Alam mo yun, parang it was really...
Replaced with laughter.
Yeah, like replaced with
Comedy.
laughter and decay.
Slapstick.
And slapstick.
Siguro lang for me with Yet to Come, yes, it did feel like a goodbye, like an end of an era,
Oo.
end of the chapter, closing the door, close the gate, gano'n.
Oo, correct.
But
Mongolia.
I,
Charis.
Mongolia.
Pero naalala ko rin, I think that was my sentiment also in that episode. It was still hopeful.
Hopeful.
And it was mirroring my experience too back then.
Global superstar
Oh,
ka din.
global. Galing din ako to share to.
Ikaw ba global superstar ka din?
Isipin ko muna.
Or baka universal?
Boys Planet Superstar.
Boys Planet.
Pero yun, di ba? Parang, I mean, Yet to Come. So, it was a goodbye for now.
Correct.
But it's not, it didn't feel like it's over.
Oo.
Pero parang, yung messaging niya talaga is, good things, parang, how does that go? Parang, something like good things don't come easy. Parang ganon. Ganon yung messaging niya for me. And it actually got me hopeful. Like, that song wasn't just about them leaving. It was also, for me, about having that hope na may tinatapos ako na chapter din sa buhay ko nun.
Correct.
Pero alam kong it's not over.
Yeah.
There's still something. There's still yet to come. And that really empowered me.
Correct.
Oo.
Kaya hindi talaga ako
Self-love.
hindi talaga ako na-hurt. Hindi ako it wasn't painful.
Yeah.
I was honestly empowered. I was grateful that was their last message to me.
Oo.
Yun yung
As a fellow global superstar.
yun yung memo nila sa akin.
Memo? Pinaan pa sa HR nung hype. Hindi mo lang in-email diretso sa'yo.
Nakita lang niya sa pantry. Uwi na siyang tubig.
Oo.
Noted. Noted, thanks.
Attention, Monica.
Attention, Monica Global Superstar. I love that. Like that, ako naman, I guess, pare-pareho tayong global superstar. But during that time, there were like a lot of, personal na pinagdadaanan. That was like, kakatapos lang ng pandemic or like petering out.
Correct.
Ganon.
Oo.
And like personally, ang dami mong naiintindihan about yourself and all of that. Like for me, honestly, like them coming back, as in para talagang nung nakita ko yung OT7, oh my God, it's like seeing an ex. Parang
Ang ganda.
kasi parang yung kinalimutan ko na sila.
Oo.
Kasi nga, ako lang to pero kasi ako, since they were such a huge part of my healing, of
Correct.
that journey, sometimes when I go back, it hurts me because I remember that version of me that was so hurt, that had nothing to hold on to but their songs to help me stand up again and
Yes.
find hope again. So parang kaya parang for a while, and I guess I'm still going through that, nahihirapan ako sa kanya kasi naaalala ko yung version na yun sa sarili ko
Yes,
na
oo.
ayoko na siyang bumalik.
Oo.
So parang, I guess like right now, parang with this celebration, it's a homecoming, it's like a
Mm.
celebration that they're doing. Parang, okay, maybe it has me to find peace na wow, bakit biglang ganito yung sinasabi ko? But really, I wouldn't be who I am right now. It's like a
Gets.
happier version of me if not for that person who went through pain.
Correct.
So parang, okay, kailangan ko i-reconcile yun bago mag-March 20. Parang hindi ako masyadong masaktan.
Kailangan mag-full circle.
Hindi ako masaktan.
Oo.
Ako pinapanood sila na parang may
Oo,
konting,
oo.
may kirot, may
Oo,
kirot.
oo.
Kilala nila yung piyang nasaktan.
Or baka kailangan, enjoyin mo yung kirot din. Masochism.
Para may cathartic din ako.
Oo, cathartic.
Yung like, just like what we talked about in the last episode, like, grief, the painful moments, these memories, it's something that you can just carry with you and think of it them as beautiful because they
Oo.
are.
Oo.
Because they're part of you.
Yeah.
They're part of who you are and who made you.
Oo.
And you're stronger because of that. So
Truly.
why aren't they beautiful?
Oo.
Diba?
Kailangan ko i-process. I have to talk
Totoo
to my
naman.
therapist
Oo.
again.
Pero buti na lang super engrande ng diba?
Exactly.
Kasi
Oo
parang
nga.
at the very least, even if that little, the song that they'll perform will remind you of this and that.
Madidistract ka ng lights.
Madidistract kasi may may drone, alam mo yun.
Oo,
correct. Oo.
At magaling sila sa ganun. Yung mga
correct.
pa-firework, mga
Oh my
pa-drone.
God, can't imagine.
Speaking of that, okay, on the 20th na when they drop their album, so what are you hoping for? Ano bang klaseng songs yung wish ninyo nakasama sa album nila or what you want to hear from them again?
Ah.
Is it like more of like the anthemic love songs like Spring Day? Or is it like power hit, DNA, My Universe? Or
Oo.
parang healing, and Love Myself Answer?
Too cool for school. Yung mga ganun. Mga dark.
Do you think babalik sila doon?
Oh my God, I'd so
I
love
would love it. Medyo ba?
I wouldn't be surprised. Kasi if it's like a homecoming thing, I wouldn't
love
be
it.
surprised if may ganung track.
Oo.
Tsaka parang even nga tong Arirang, parang pag tinitingnan ko yung parang mga meaning, oh my God, parang napaka-cypher.
Ooh.
yun?
No, but may chismis na parang they're partnering with the Gugudak Cultural Center. Gugudak? Yung yung national way of singing. yung parang kay Kim Terry.
Pansuri?
Parang Pansuri,
Pansuri.
Gugudak Cultural Center,
Ooh.
something like that. So parang I feel like they're gonna incorporate a lot of like
My
Korean
that's gonna be
elements,
so
music
interesting.
So
Ay,
parang
not-
dynamite na pansuri.
Correct.
Or
Oh my
permission to dance na
God.
trot.
I feel
Oh
like
my
yun
God.
Oh my God, it's for Monica.
Oh,
na may drone.
oh my God.
Pa.
Lagyan mo pa ng dinosaur
Correct.
para mabaliw siya.
Oo. Feeling ko may mga ganun incorporate. It would be so amazing. Alam mo actually, nung sinasabi nga na may ganun incorporation siya, ang naisip ko dito si Ricky Abad.
Oh.
Kasi diba, parang like, the merging
cultures
together of
and
culture and Western cultures and all
Yeah.
that. Ano yun, parang like, so it's like a global parang
Localizing
vibe, parang
globalization.
ganun. Oo, parang
Oo,
ganun. So
yeah.
parang si Ricky Abad talaga yung naisip.
Exactly. I guess that's why it resonates so much with us. Like yung mga ganito na parang maybe kaya din hindi natin masakyan yung mga ano ba yan, masyadong Western sounding.
Oo.
Because of that, those roots that we have with like
Mhm.
Sir Ricky. Oh gosh, we love you. We still pray for you, and we hope you're in such a better place than, oh my God, the world you left behind. Pero yeah, he helped us like find that footing, I guess.
Mhm.
Oh, di ba na-connect natin Ricky
Oh,
Abad sa
diba?
BTS?
Diba? Ricky Abad, BTS.
Expectations-wise, ako any Kasi at the end of the day, I know whatever they're gonna put out there is gonna be very interesting.
Correct.
Because like what you said,
At the very-
they're really great at these bringing in cultural references.
Mm.
Correct.
Ever since, not just because they're big right now in the world, etc. But I wouldn't mind for some sweet love songs.
Correct.
Some sweet,
Kasi-
sexy
kasi
love
parang,
songs.
Well, I love like their anthemic stuff, yung mga yung mga
Yeah.
alam mo yun,
Oo.
because they power through, alam mo
Oo.
yun.
Correct.
I find myself just beaming at their love song.
Yeah.
Like, alam mo yun,
Mika
like,
Cosmos.
Euphoria,
Ganon.
Mika Cosmos, like, alam mo,
Ay, mga pang stadium.
parang, they just make me happy.
Yeah.
Like, so, and I'm sure they're gonna do that. medyo nagulat ako, to be honest. So, parang nothing was going on and then biglang may mga nagsipaskilan na, what is your love song? They had like that, what do you call it? Integration? No. Installation stuff for Valentine's na you can get
the
roses
roses.
and then may ma-reveal na, what is your love song? Blah, blah, blah. Very slightly nagulat ako kasi parang before that, the news coming out of Arirang and Comeback, it just felt big.
Yeah.
But them saying that it's a love song, like, well, one, what kind of love song? Because it can be a love song for Korea, so it's gonna
Correct.
be, I mean,
Yeah.
Arirang is kind of like a
yeah,
song.
it is.
Parang
Oo. Kasi it's a love for the country.
Oo.
Ganon. But it can also be the sweeter love song that they're also so good at.
Yeah.
So, nagulat ako na, oh my God, parang ni nagulat, naalala ko na, my gosh, the possibility is
Yes.
endless.
Yes. Madami din sa mga Arirang na mga songs are about like the longing na parang kapag iniwan ka ng lover mo to do this and do that. So parang meron ding ganong angling that people are speculating because obviously they were gone for a while. So it's like yearning for the army. So I want to see how that's gonna pan out
Yeah,
in a
yeah.
huge stage.
Yeah, oh my God.
Ikaw?
Ako din walang masyadong expectation. Parang very same like you, Mon, na parang,
Very open.
open
to
ako sa kung ano.
anything.
Kasi parang, I'm just excited how, like, their voices will come together. Alam mo yun? Kung
Now
paano
that they're
nila.
different people.
Now that they're
Yeah.
different people, di ba?
Mhm.
And then, yun, I mean, knowing nga na parang they're gonna incorporate like Korean music then into their, I'm not sure kasi if they're gonna do it lang for the concert or for the album. Pero hoping they do that for the album. So like, you know, parang doing an August D. Ganon, ganong vibe. So it will be also nice. But hindi naman siya yung gusto kong marinig. But I just want to hear them.
Yeah.
I want to hear their voice. And
Correct.
ang hino-hope ko lang is parang that their voice, the purity of their voice will be there. Kasi ang daming pressure eh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Diba? Parang like a lot of people will be saying, oh, do this kasi
Yeah.
this will look good for the country or do this kasi yung uso sa States or do, alam mo,
Yeah.
parang sana yung boses talaga nila yung manaig
Yeah.
dito at hindi yung sinasabi ng ibang tao.
Mhm.
And just the pressure, I mean, they are, even with a 4-year absence, they still are the biggest
Yeah.
global superstars.
Exactly.
The pressure that they have to put out something that should amount to that title.
Correct. Oo.
Yeah.
How do
Yeah.
you compute for that? There's no template for that. How do
Exactly.
you
Oo nga.
I can't even imagine like just that day or days or whatever, that waking point na, oh my God, that's what I have to do. Sina RM to, nagsasalita.
Binubulungan ka.
Binubulungan. Na yun yung kailangan nilang
Mm.
gawin. And yun din yung extra, yun yung more than actually the songs that we're gonna see. I am looking forward to what's gonna happen. Because their comeback is actually sort of like a template in a way of how it's gonna be, well, for the other groups that are enlisted. Na, iba na kasi yung K-pop. You know how
Yeah.
nasabi na lagi itong nakakwento na usually after military, nagdudwindle down na yung mga groups.
Correct.
Yeah.
Oo nga.
Pero ibang panahon na kasi ngayon.
Yeah.
So,
Oo
hindi
nga.
na, I
Si
don't
Hoshi
think,
laging nasa Weavers.
Correct.
parang hindi na siya applicable eh.
Oo.
So, BTS, ito yung chance, dito natin makikita kung saan patungo yung K-pop.
True
then.
then. Oo.
And then there's also that thing, because remember when I said na, they actually opened the door for K-pop,
Yeah.
but somehow, in the past 4 years, at least me personally, I feel like because all the other groups took this as an opportunity to be heard, to
Yeah.
be seen,
Correct. Oo.
they put out so much stuff too.
Oo.
There's a little bit of oversaturation,
Yeah.
Correct.
I feel.
Oo nga.
And I don't know if you notice, parang nakikita natin na sometimes, not even sometimes, I think most times, kunyari may mga tours, hindi na nasusold out yung
Correct.
tickets.
Correct.
Unlike before when the world opened up after pandemic,
Wow.
everyone just scrambled to make
Yeah.
sure that they're able to see their favorites.
Correct.
Ngayon, kailang, carry na.
Yeah.
It's a little bit, there's something there, like it's a little bit, it's kind of telling, I guess, na maybe there was an oversaturation. Maybe people are okay na about, or they have tempered their consumption na with
Oo.
K-pop.
Oo.
Yeah.
So, ano ang gagawin ng BTS? like how whatever it is that's gonna happen
Mm.
is sort of going to be a template, or in a way, or maybe a telling of
Mm.
the direction of K-pop in a way. Does that
Oo.
make sense?
Yeah.
Oo.
Yeah.
Oo.
Because we don't know if K-pop is still it.
Yeah.
Oo.
Truly.
Diba?
Yeah.
Like
Oo.
times have changed.
Exactly.
So mas yun yung concern ko more than the songs actually.
Mm.
Kasi sure naman ako na whatever that they put out there will be damn good.
Correct.
Yeah.
Oo.
Truly. And like you saying that, actually, like after the Super Bowl na parang with Bad Bunny's like fantastic performance, it reminded me na, Pia, meron pang malaking mundo
Oo, yun
outside of what
nga.
you're consuming. You're so
Exactly.
focused on this small country produced with really good-looking man. Pero alam mo yun, parang it reminds you, and it's like you said, it's very exciting to see like that direction. Parang I love what you both said na true naman. Like, I don't think, it's not naman na parang kahit ano lang gawin nila, tatanggapin namin. Hindi ganun eh. It's more of like, we know how good these people are. That's why I'm sure we would not be disappointed with whatever it is that they're gonna come out with.
Mm.
Pero ako lang personally, as in parang I love Spring Day. It's not like my most favorite song, but I know how like anthemic it is. Like sobrang it's a queen. It's still like in the lists and nagme-melon pa rin siya after all these
Oo.
years,
Yeah.
diba? Parang magkakaroon na ba siya ng replacement ang ating queen? Will there finally be a song that's gonna beat or actually be hand in hand with Spring Day? Because we know that song is about longing, yearning. So if like this,
Summer.
them coming back after 4 years, alam nating na-miss nila tayo, na-miss nilang mag-perform, na-miss nila tong buhay na to, yung pagiging idol. So like, I wonder if there's something that would be up there, something very exciting para malaman natin. Soon, I guess to wrap up this conversation from Global Stars
To global
Stars. Anong mga gusto nyong mga words of encouragement? And anong, to them.
Person by name.
To BTS, because you know they're watching, they're listening. Kasi may oras silang manood ng podcast
Oo.
natin.
Tsaka marunong sila managalog.
Exactly.
Correct. I mean, nag-English naman tayo mga 80% of the time.
Kasi ano to eh, may papago yung episode
Correct.
natin.
Oo.
Oh my gosh, what do I tell them? I want them to, honestly, I want them to sleep.
In your arms?
In
All 7 of them?
Well, we haven't really seen them much, but
Yeah.
we know that they've been rehearsing.
Yeah.
They've been doing so many preparations for this comeback. I'm just pretty damn sure that the pressure is
My
pressuring.
God, I'm
Yes.
sure.
Yun lang. Like, self-care.
Exactly.
Super
Oo.
important.
Correct.
I saw that Namjoon seems to be losing weight. Like,
Ah.
nakita ko may issue na ganun or something.
Yeah, pero he posted his weight on
Ah.
Weavers.
Yeah, and I understand that, especially since this is a world tour.
Yeah.
Like,
And they're much older now.
and they're much older. Like,
Correct.
I'm sure mas malaki yung concern na they have to be able to keep up.
Correct.
So, you know, but I'm also sure that they know what they're doing.
Yeah.
Mm.
At the end of the day kasi, because we know that they're very, very hard work. At the end of the day,
Yeah.
a song, any art is great when you see the hard work that came with it. Does that make sense?
Mm-mm.
So, I hope they know, and siguro naman they know that
Mm.
they have done well.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh.
Yeah, you've done enough.
You've done enough. Hindi pa nga nagsastart ng ano. You've done enough na.
Kumbaga, relax a little. Don't forget
Yeah.
to relax a little. Yun
Oh my
lang.
gosh. Ako, huwag kayo mag-away.
Oh.
Because I feel like, I mean, it comes with the pressure, I feel.
Yeah. Yeah.
And yun nga, parang it also comes with the fact that they have their own voices and all that. I hope you guys still communicate with each other the way that you did before. Alam mo yun, parang kahit na matagal na kayo hindi nagsasama. Yun lang. And know that you love each other as much as we love you. O yun. But I mean, can't wait to see them.
Yeah.
As in, yun lang.
Bring back the variety shows.
Oh my
I
God.
know! Oh my God!
Pero again, wag natin silang i-pressure. Yeah, sobrang busy na. Pero dati nga kahit naka-world tour, parang nasa lapag lang sila ng hotel, di ba? Nag-run BTS sila.
Bata pa daw sila kasi noon.
That's true too.
Si Jin 31 na. 31 na ba siya? Oo, by Korean
Di ba
age.
32?
Or 32.
92 siya, diba?
Oo.
But yeah, I mean, for BTS, same. Like, I hope that they find the time to still take care of themselves.
Oo.
And I hope that because of all of these things, many things coming, and gosh, kami nga, maliit na podcast lang kami, pero nakikita na namin yung mga haters, yung ganun
Oo.
ba? Na parang I hope that they, with all the self-care and all of that, they still get focused enough and not get lost in the rubble because
Correct.
the world is so noisy. So I hope that they find those sacred places where they can still go back to themselves, to the things that they love, creating music that they like, and know that they don't need to answer to anybody else but themselves, because that's why we love them, because
Correct.
of their individuality and their artistic genius that we've always seen throughout the years.
Correct.
Okay, Namjoon, paki-translate in Korean. Okay, tatlo yun na. So yeah, that's our episode on BTS. This is the calm before the storm. Abangan ninyo dahil madami pa kami. Of course, we will have an MV reaction. We will have an album review. At madami pang iba. It's magsasawa tayo sa BTS. Kakausap.
Magsasawa.
Can't wait.
Okay.
Oo, walang
really
sawaan.
So,
1, 2, walang sawaan.
1 to walang sawaan with BTS. So, and we will be back right after this with our game.
Woohoo!
And we're back with our game. So for this episode, we will be playing the telepathy game because you know BTS is one to Sarang. Also one.
Because we're global superstars.
Yes.
Like them.
Put it on a memo.
Uh-huh.
Post it in the pantry.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so paano namin to gagawin? So we each prepared 2 words each. And then, ang gagawin namin, so gagawin na lang natin by age. Sabihin muna ni Monica yung first word niya. And then we all have to pose according to that word. So, magkakaroon ba kami ng telepathy? Magkakapare-pareho ba kami ng pose related to that word? Malalaman natin. So, it's gonna be 6 words in total. Okay? So, let's go.
Okay.
Monica, your first word.
My first word is easy category.
Ano?
Okay.
Butter.
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 Okay?
Tapos
Butter.
kung sinong yung mag-isang hindi makakontribute ng maayos, pitikin sa...
Kung ganyan yung mangyari.
Oo. Pero kung lahat tayo iba-iba, wala tayong magagawa.
Ay, nipitikan. Magpe-penalty tayo. I-reveal na lang namin later on kung ano yung penalty na yun. Penalty na lang.
Okay.
Sa pinakapasaway.
Okay.
Okay. Easy category daw yun, ah.
Oo nga,
Okay.
pero kasi...
Kaya nga eh. Okay. 3,
Okay.
2, 1, butter! Oh! Ish! Almost! Okay lang.
Pwede na yan?
Well, hindi. Pero hindi ka... Pero hindi ka magpe-penalty.
Oo.
Yay.
Okay lang.
In fairness yung akin kasi, hawak ko yung knife.
Kaya nga eh. Kami parang,
yung knife.
Ito yung knife. Ako hawak mo siya.
Okay.
Yeah!
Malapit na. Okay.
Okay, easy category. The word is DNA. Okay?
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Sabi na nga ba eh. Inisip ko, should I do funny? Yung DNA cord.
Penalty.
Ito mas penalty kasi sinadya mo eh.
Okay, Chancy.
My word is dynamite.
Okay, baka magkakaiba tayo dito. Let's see. 3, 2, 1. Magkakaiba! Na-iconic ano?
Oo nga. Ano
Okay,
ginawa mo?
Dynamite.
Ako literal.
Dynamite fishing.
These are endless.
This
This is fun.
Okay, wala pa tayong natatama.
Oo.
Magkakapareho.
Ay, yung butter naman.
Pero hindi. Okay,
Oo,
malapit
pwede
pwede
na.
na. Okay.
Oo.
Monica's
Ako
next
na pala.
word.
Ikaw
Ano
na.
pala?
Oo.
The next word is microcosmos.
Hulo?
Oh!
So, interpretative dance to.
Parang hirap nun eh.
Oh, hard na.
Hard na to.
Hard level na tayo eh. So,
Magtigan
ayun.
tayo, guys.
Oo.
Hindi ko alam.
Microcosmos.
We'll see. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Mga hands up, gano'n. Si Monica, parang medyo may silip.
Tapos lahat pa tayo parang medyo hindi pa sure.
Kasi, hindi ko honestly alam kung anong gagawin ko. Dapat parang ganon or whatever.
Ako rin parang like universe.
Ako rin ganun kayo parang stars.
Okay, sorry, nahuli ka kasi nakaganyan.
Oo, kasi parang...
So, medyo same thought
Oh,
process
medyo
lang
same.
tayo.
Okay, medyo same.
Okay, medyo na.
Okay.
Pwede na. Nakakatawa yun.
Our next word from me is Run BTS.
Oh!
Halaga! Bangtan in 3, 2, 1. Yeah! Yay! 3 points. Okay, Trans.
Eto! United Nations.
Okay. In 3, 2, 1, go. Gusto mo i-explain? Explain. Ikaw yung globe?
Bakit globe? Unfair!
I am a nation.
Ako yung taong nakaharap sa globe. Ano ka?
Ako yun. It's a small world after.
Yung mga bata. Ganun. So, actually, pwede na. Parang we are a scenario.
Oo.
We are a logo.
We are a logo.
We are the children. I think that was good.
Yeah.
Good.
Sobrang
Good job.
nag-enjoy kami. Sana nag-enjoy
Oo.
din kayo.
Sana,
Kasi ang
nawa.
dami naming tawa. Thank you so much, Sarang Base. Please share this with your army friends. We are on YouTube, Spotify, and Apple Podcasts. And also follow us. We are on Twitter, TikTok, and Facebook, Instagram. We will see you in our next episode. Thank you. You're the best. Gumawa, Chegoya, and Sarang Hey.
Sarang
Hey!
Akala ko may magbabapsay or something.
Sana pala. Gawin natin ngayon.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Bapsay!
Ay, kailangan tumayo.
Oh my God, Bapsay Hobie's gonna be back!
Grabe, naka-topless na siya ngayon.
Oh my God! Kaya pa ba nilang
Killing it,
mag-Dionysus?
Kaya pa nila yun.
Dionysus, kaya pa?
Kaya pa.
Parang ang tagal na, 2019 pa nila last
May
ginawa.
mga kabayo pat lahat-lahat. Let's go.
Yes.